Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make something with clay. First, gather your essential tools, including a rolling pin, cutting wire, and various sculpting tools. Next, select the appropriate clay type for your project, whether it's air dry or oven bake. Finally, prepare your workspace by covering surfaces to protect them from mess and damage. This initial setup ensures a smooth and enjoyable creative process. Now, let's explore basic shaping techniques. Start by learning fundamental methods such as pinching, coiling, and slab building. When using slabs, roll your clay to a consistent thickness, ideally about 1/4 inch for even results. Remember to score and slip your clay pieces together before joining them. This creates a strong, lasting bond, preventing cracks later on. With your basic form complete, it's time to add details and texture. You can create interesting textures using everyday household items or specialized sculpting tools. Next, refine all edges and smooth surfaces with a slightly damp sponge to achieve a polished and professional appearance. Don't hesitate to incorporate decorative elements like carvings or small, applied clay pieces to truly personalize your creation. The final steps involve drying and, if applicable, firing your clay piece. For air-dry clay, allow it to dry completely, which typically takes 24 to 72 hours, depending on thickness. If you're using oven-baked clay, carefully follow the specific firing instructions to ensure durability and proper hardening. Once dry or fired, your creation is ready for painting or glazing. Also, be sure to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.